Most traders blow up because they trust the 1-minute chart. But here's the truth. Nobody tells you. The 1-minute lies. It fakes momentum, it traps you, and it stops you out in seconds. Transition to real breakout, upward. But this is the real move. It didn't start on the 1-minute. It started on the 5-minute trend. Show structure. When the 5-minute is trending, higher lows forming, and momentum building, that's where real breakouts come from. The reason people fail. Most traders enter too early. They buy the first 1-minute push and get slapped immediately. The truth. But when the 5-minute breaks, retests, and holds the level, that's the breakout with power behind it. So stop trading noise. Trust the higher time frame, then use the 1-minute as your sniper entry.